Hello everyone, welcome to the EF Creations channel. Today we will be making a crochet wallet in these beautiful lilac and pastel colors. So let's begin. You need Aran weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. To begin the pattern, we will do a slip knot and then we will do around 20 chains. So I'm going to be chaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 17, 18, 19, 20. Made around 20 chains. Now we will start the pattern. So we will do a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So I've done a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then I will continue in each stitch in this row, which is the row 1. So just complete doing single crochet all through. So I've completed doing single crochet in the first row. I'm just going to chain 1 and turn. So to begin the second row, I will skip the first single crochet and then I will do 2 single crochet in the next stitch. So it's going to be 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So I'm just going to skip this next stitch and then go ahead and do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So just to explain the pattern once again, so you will be doing skipping the next stitch and then doing 2 single crochet in the same stitch, then skipping the next stitch and then doing 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So you'll continue doing that. So I'll skip and then again I'll do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So this is very simple. You keep doing this till the end of the row and then you will chain 1 and turn. So I've completed the second row and this is how the stitch is looking like. So I obviously turned and chained 1. I will continue doing this pattern. Just want to explain the pattern again in case. So it's 2 single crochet in 1 stitch and then you skip the next stitch and then again do 2 single crochets in the same stitch. So as I mentioned, I've done around 2 rows now, so it's the same pattern that I will be continuing. So you can do as much length as you want. I will do till 24 centimeter in length and then come back and show you. So guys, I have done around 24 centimeters, so you can do as much as you like. I'm just going to do a slip knot here and then I will just cut the yarn. So I'm just cutting the yarn now. I'm going to sew everything in later. So now what we are going to do is basically I'm just going to kind of measure how it's going to. Don't worry guys if it looks a bit like this. We are going to do some stitches which will make it look absolutely perfect. We can also block it. So yeah, just going to do like put a stitch marker here. And we are going to put a stitch marker here, so we know we are going to. Yep, looks perfect. So what we are going to do is we are going to first slip stitch the sides. Just going to take the yarn, so I'm just going to keep going in the round and then just Just gonna go here. So guys, I'm just gonna go around the edges around here and then just do a slip stitch. So this way you keep doing slip stitch till here, and then we'll go all the way around here and then come back here as well. So I'm just gonna show you that. Just go here and just do slip stitch. We have finished doing one row of single crochet all through. We've also attached both the sides. Now we will be basically doing a chain one and then turn the work around. I'm just going to change my hook as well. It's just, it will be easy to locate. So I'm just going to chain one and then go in the slip stitches we created and do a slit of single crochet. So I'm just going to locate this and do single crochet. So I'm just going to do a single crochet all through around. So guys, I finished doing the single crochet and piping all around. So now we will start our bobble stitch. So to do the bobble stitch, you yarn over and go into the first single crochet you did. Yarn over, pull through. You've got 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. So you've got 2 loops now. You have to keep doing this till you get 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through. And we'll pull through the first 2. Now we've got 3, so we'll keep doing this till we get 5 loops on our hook. So we've got 4. Now you've got 3, 4, 5. So now what we will do, yarn over and pull through all the 5. So guys, you've done the first bobble. Now you have to go through the next stitch and do a single crochet just to secure it. So you secured the first bobble. Just to show you guys, I'm using the 3.5mm hook, which I forgot to show you before. So now we will do the next bobble stitch. So you yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2. So you keep doing this till you get the 5 loops on your hook. So you've done 3, you've got 4, now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yarn over, pull through the all the, and then you will have to go to the next stitch and then just do a single crochet just to secure the bobble. So this is how our bobbles will look on the edging. So you keep doing all the way around till you reach here. So I'll do all it and come back and show you. So I've done all the bobbles, guys, you can see, and this is where the cards would go as a card wallet. And I'm just going to also put this here, so I'll show you how I do that. So I'm just gonna mark it here, somewhere here. So I'm just gonna put that in, and to do that you just go in and then put the lock, just press it, and this we would have to use since I decided to put this lock later, what I will do is I'm just going to make a thing here. So basically I'll just cut the portion here, yep. So just do that, and I will have. So guys, I've taken out the screws. So basically this will go here and this will go at the back. So to do that, basically we just need to put the screws in. The screws are here, one is here, so we just have to put the screws this way. Just going to make a little bit of hole. One screw would go here, one screw would go here. So I'm just going to make a little small holes here and then screw it in. This is how the wallet is looking after I've added the metal clasp. I quite like the butterfly clasp. It was so easy to add with just the screws I showed you. And here's the place where you'll put your cards in. It's very spacious for cards. You can just add many cards as you like. Quite like this bubble stitch. The edge, I'm just going to block it a little bit as well so that it can retain its shape. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with this. If you have any questions, leave it in the description. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys.